to my channel, The Lifestyle with Laura, and on today's video, I show you how I made this beautiful Christmas decoration. And you can make it also. Let's get started. These are the items that I'll be using today. A charger, pencil, scissors, Podge, Podge sealer, foam brush, stand, a butterfly decoration, some fabric, and this is a bundle of fabric that I got from Walmart, and I'll be using this piece. An old Christmas card and some beads. We need to take our charger and turn it on the back, because what I want to do is put the fabric in this portion of it, and then I'm going to add some of the white beads. So I'll go ahead and turn my charger over and put my fabric on it. Now I'm going to put my fabric on the back part, but I want to trace this part of the plate, the outer circle right here. So I'll lay my fabric down close to the edge, and then you just take your pencil and you'll have to feel for that little indentation, and then just start tracing it out. Just feel for it and trace it out. Okay, and that's the part that we'll cut to put in the center piece. So let's go ahead and just cut that piece out. We have our fabric cut. Now we'll go ahead and place some Podge on our charger and glue our fabric down. So let's just get some glue on here. And this Podge glue, once it dries, it will turn clear. So we'll just get plenty of it on here. Let's just pour some more. And we just need to get it on here nice and even. We'll go ahead and put our fabric down. We want to try to get our fabric centered. Put it in here. And just smooth it out. And then we'll add a little bit more of the Podge, and we'll start adding some beads to it. And then we'll let this completely dry. Let's just add a little bit more Podge for our beads. Let me grab some beads. And we're just going to put our beads right on the edge here. Make sure I put a little bit more Podge. and this will help cover the edges of the fabric. Okay, so we'll just continue around with our beads, and then we'll let it completely dry. I added 2 rows of beads, and now I'm going to go ahead and add my Podge clear acrylic just to help hold the beads in place. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my Christmas card. This is a reused Christmas card. You want to make sure you get one that will actually fit in this space and show some of your fabric. So you don't want it to be too large. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this Christmas card down, and then we'll place it in the center. Let's go ahead and add some Podge to it. Put it on here. Just get this on here really good all over. Should be enough. Make sure we get the ends of the card. And we'll just place it in the center. Smooth it out. Okay, and once the glue is down really good, we'll go ahead and we'll add our next piece, which will be our butterfly Christmas ornament. The Christmas card is glued down, and now it's time for the final touch. I'll add my butterfly Christmas ornament. Now, this has a little clip on the back of it, and this ornament is just an ornament I already had in my Christmas stash. So I'm going to just put it on the side, get my stand, and this is what it looks like. Isn't that beautiful? And I just repurposed this Christmas card. Thank you for watching my channel, The Lifestyle with Laura. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.